Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unpackaging to share with you guys. I think I know what's in here. I can't remember exactly what it looks like. We're gonna look at it together. If it is something I can link, I will definitely link it right down in the description. It does help my channel when you use my link, so I would appreciate it, but that's up to you. Thanks to the people who sent me this. Thanks to my generous patrons, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. I had a team, I think they are if I'm not mistaken, I think they're a retailer or distributor for CJRB. And they said, is there anything you want to look at? And I said, yeah, yes there is. Where is it? Right. Well, it says J1923BRE. Let's get it out and take a look. It's been a while since yeah. Yeah, I've been wanting to take a look at this guy. Here we go. Ready? I like the look. Here's the name of this guy right here. I think this is AR RPM 9. There we go. So this is a budget knife, but not like a, it's not going to be like a super budget knife. This is a recessed liner. I like red and black, especially when it kind of flows together. This area here is interesting how they lay this in. This is a separate piece of G10. We have texturing leading up to the lip where they actually lay it in, which is really cool. So it's cool. You can see there, this is laid on top of the G10. So this piece of G10 goes all the way underneath here, which wasn't necessary. They probably could have just laid in a thicker piece of red G10, but okay, Then you have the steel liners. Then you have what appears to be a red aluminum backspacer, and then the same on the other side. Red aluminum pivot collar. Very nice choil right there. Look at this little, I'm going to guess that's a little thumb notch right there. It actually works really well. This choil is also pretty roomy. I like the access to the liner lock there. Plenty. It's pretty, the tension on the liner lock is pretty heavy, but you have so much room to get in there, it's fine. The main thing that I like is that opening hole right there. That is very Spyderco-y, and by that I mean nice access, easy access, right? So all of your fidgety, this or that, anything you want to do with it, especially the reverse flick, is incredibly easy. The flipper tab is just kind of, some people will see it as something that's in the way and some people will see it as a bonus. I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet, but it's pretty easy to deploy one way or another. I like this. It's almost like it could have easily been another gigantic cleaver, but these blade shapes, it's kind of a, sheep's footy, cleavery kind of thing, but it's still got belly, so you still have a meaningful tip. And you know what? That taper's pretty thin. Let's try and slice something with it here real quick. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, it's piece of those are they're just falling. Oops, knocked it out of my hand there. The pieces of paper are almost just falling immediately after being sliced. Yeah, that is very, very easily slicing through paper. So very nice edge there. I would say just about, there's like a swedge up there. It's like 95% fully flat ground. Like the swedges. No idea what it's coated with, but the edge feels good. Nice chamfering on the inside of that opening hole there. Really, really cool. I don't know when this is going to be available or if it is actually available currently. I don't know. Pocket clip. Not bad. Not bad. A little bit long for me, right? I gotta try to be more careful about this. I'm stating my opinion there, right? Some people prefer a longer clip. Some people are like me, and okay, if you look at the ratios here between clip and knife, the Ritter Hogue that clip is a little shorter, and it's on a knife that is close to the same overall size and works out really well, right? Bug out clip, this guy's way, way shorter, even for the side. The bug out is a way smaller knife, but the total amount of space it takes up on the bug out is much less. And so, for where you're going to put your hand on the knife, you're not feeling it at all. This guy, it's not bad. That bill's a little bit pronounced. I wish it was a little bit more shallow, but it is just, it's more of a swoop than a, you know, I don't like the ones that go, you know, straight up like that. It is riding right on top of peel ply textured G10, but it's not really that aggressive. I'm gonna, you can't see my pockets right now. Let me get the one I'm carrying. Yeah. No, actually, it's pretty easy. I think over time, it will fray up your pants a little bit, but not too bad. I do like that aluminum spacer there. I'm trying to give you guys a look of this thing all the way around. Should we weigh it? Actually, I think, even though this is stuff that I normally do in the review, here lately, I've tried to do little things like measurements right out of the box. Pretty big knife, 8 1/4 inches, 3.6 inch blade, 3 1/8 on the cutting edge, and that's because of that roomy choil, which I like. Some people don't. I like that choil, right? They could have gotten away with just doing blade there because you've got plenty of room on the handle, which is okay. It's all right. It's pretty good. Maybe B plus or so ergos. It's pretty good. I can't complain too much. There's a couple little areas in here that I'm not going to say are hard lines. They just don't feel incredibly, like, perfectly natural, but pretty good. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and weigh it real quick, just so we can, just so you guys can get an idea. All right, so on the inside, is it milled? Yeah, there is a little bit of milling on the inside. Okay. So the weight, still coming in pretty big. I was going to say, it looked like a pretty tanky knife. 5.01 ounces. So, yeah, ratios aren't perfect, but if you like carrying a larger knife, right, it's not bad. Yeah. I'm just happy to finally, you know, have an actual, like a CJRB in hand, like one of their newer ones, because truthfully, CJRB has come out with quite a few things. Love that thumb notch. Quite a few things over the last few months to a year, and I just have missed them. It seems like there are some things that were prototypes and then never released, and then there was a whole bunch of stuff that was released that I just never was able to get my hands on. So at the time of this recording, I have absolutely no idea if this knife is actually available or not. I mean, I won't know until after I'm done, right? But if it is, I will link it right down below. Usually when they do these crazy color combos, they do like a red one, and then they do like a blue one or a red one and a green one or something like that. So I am hoping and assuming that there will be other versions of this. I don't know that there's really a whole lot more that I can say. So this is not a review. It's just an unboxing and first impressions. I will, of course, spend some time with it and do a full comprehensive review once I have collected my thoughts. Like I said, if it's available, I'll link it right down below. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.